In this video, I'm going to show you how to get emojis on Axiom Trade. So the first thing you're going to need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on Axiom. So make sure you check it out. Now, once you have your account, to get emojis, actually, it's quite simple. So down here inside the wallet tracker, when we're talking about emojis, this is what we are referring to. So you want to go to wallet tracker down here. And then if you add a specific wallet by clicking add wallet over here, as you can see, here's where you can set the wallet emoji. Now, you can just click on that. It will open up the emojis. You can search them up, search them via categories over here. And let's say for this instance, we're going to do an avocado over here. You can put in the wallet name. Let's just do avocado. And then you can put in your wallet address over here. And after you've done this, simply click on add wallet and your essentially wallet will be added in here. So let me just show you this for an instance over here. Let me just sign this up. There we go. And then if I click on receive over here, and if I were to add in a wallet, there we go. As you can see, and I have a wallet and it's got a emoji over here, which you can change by clicking on it and just changing it like this. And there we go. Your emoji has now been changed. So that's how you get emojis on Axiom Trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.